Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add number and bullet point in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document and take some numbered list. Now we want to add bullet list to this number list. Firstly, select the last number list. Then go to the numbering option. Then choose the bullet and numberings. Then go to the bullets option. Then choose any bullets. Then click OK. Then press enter and write another text. Now we can see we add number and bullet point in this publisher document very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.